Hi, I'm Executive Chef Fernando Ruiz here representing PMI out of Española, New Mexico, ChimayoRed.com, and Nomada Goods. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna make a few recipes. The first one I'm gonna make is basically we're gonna make a simple chorizo recipe, which I would use ground pork and ground beef. The ground pork should have enough fat to where the ground beef should be a little more lean, and it's super simple. So what we're gonna do is we got our pork and our ground beef. We're gonna add, of course, our Chimayo red chili powder. We're gonna add granulated garlic, paprika, which I prefer the Spanish instead of Hungarian. And we're also gonna add smoked paprika, Chile Caribe, which is also available at PMI and ChimayoRed.com. We're gonna also add some ground cumin. Try not to add too much because it can be overpowering. Dry oregano. What I like to do is probably get about a tablespoon and crush it in. That way it kind of just wakes it up a little bit. Salt, pepper, and one of the most important ingredients in this chorizo recipe or any chorizo recipe would be vinegar, some kind of acid. I'm using red wine vinegar, simply just because most of all the chilies that are in here are red, and it'll go well together. And you need that acid in the chorizo. And there you go. So what we're gonna do is just mix it up really well, and then we'll just go from there. It's easier with the gloves. That way you don't smell like chorizo for 2 days. And you can always add as much or as less of an ingredient that you want. If you want it spicier, of course, you're gonna add more chili to it. If you want it a little brighter, add more chili and paprika. There you go, look at that. Just like you'd buy at the store. But you know what you're putting in it, you know what you're gonna eat with it. Super simple. And of course you could bag it and freeze it. You can always make a little batch on this pan, taste it, see if you wanna add more spice, more cumin, more oregano, if it needs a little more vinegar. You need to be able to taste that acid.